In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply borders to your text, sentences, or entire paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to make your document more visually appealing or simply highlighting a particular section, adding a border can make a big difference. First, you need to decide what part of your document you'd like to apply a border to. Is it just a word or sentence, or maybe an entire paragraph? Go ahead and select that piece of text. Once you have your desired selection, head over to the Home tab in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, we'll focus our attention on the Paragraph section, where you'll find the Borders button. Typically, this button looks like a small box with 4 sides. Now, click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders button. This action will open a list of presets that you can choose from to apply to your text. Among these options, you'll find something like Outside Borders, which encircles your selection with a neatly defined box. However, sometimes a simple border is not enough to convey your desired effect. If you're looking to customize your border further, you'll remain in the Borders drop-down menu and select the Borders and Shading option. This will bring up a dialog box with more customization options for your border. Here, you can change the style of the line to suit your preferences, such as opting for a solid or dashed line. You can also select the color of your border, allowing you to match or contrast with the primary colors in your document. And don't forget about the width. Making the border thicker or thinner can completely change the emphasis it adds to your text. Now, before you proceed, it's crucial to decide how you want your border applied. In the Apply to drop-down within the dialog box, you have an important choice. You can either apply the border to just the text itself, or you can choose the Paragraph option, which places a border around the entire paragraph block. If you opt for the paragraph border, you can click on the Options button to further adjust the spacing between the border and the text inside, enhancing the overall look and ensuring it meets your needs. Once you're satisfied with your selections and customizations, simply click OK to apply the changes. Your document will now reflect the new border, adding a touch of style and emphasis to your selected text or paragraph. And if you ever decide later down the line that you'd like to remove this border, don't worry. It's just as simple. Select the text or paragraph that currently has the border. Head back to the Home tab, find the Borders button again, and in the drop-down menu, choose No Border. Just like that, the border disappears, leaving your text clean and clear once more.